Guess what, Ben? You've won a win token.
What is a win token?
As you remember, you were the only one to wreck the ribbon. That means you did better than the rest of the contestants, so you win a win token. If you are about to get eliminated, you can use your win token to void half of your votes. And here's your win token. Now it's time for cake at stake.
Cake!
But first we have to get mesh and tennis ball and golf ball and teardrop needle and sponge and rocky and fire and woody and flour. Get into your teams, people. Okay, squashy grapes. You lost last time, so you do the cake at stake. Sit. I have 9 slices of cake. If you receive a slice of cake, you get to stay for another day. If you don't, you leave the battle. But don't worry, you'll be treated with TLC. Okay, let's see how many votes we received. 7 votes. Now it's time to pass out the cake. Leafy, you got 0 votes. Here's your cake. Needle, you also got 0 votes. Same with Ice Cube, Rocky, Teardrop, and Coiny. Maybe I should turn down the throwing speed of the tosser. Snowball, you're safe at 0 too. Tennis Ball, you didn't do anything good, but you're safe with 1 vote. So is Sam, whoever Sam is.
If you kick me out, I'll crush you with my announcer crusher!
Well, too bad for me, because Golf Ball is safe at 1 vote, and you, Flower, are out with 4 votes.
Earlier this morning I was really afraid of being popped, but now I'm feeling better and I don't think I'm going to be popped.
Woo! Now my chances of winning went up from 5% to 5.263%.
Wow, GB, I'm impressed. No arms, and you can still use a calculator.
What made you think I was using a calculator?
The second contest is an obstacle course. You have an hour to complete it. When you get to the end, you will try to get as much water into your team tank as you can in the remaining amount of time. At the end of the hour, whichever team has more water wins. And yes, whoever is the first to finish the course gets a win token. Wait. Before that, get onto the screen, I have to tell you one more thing.
Oh, boring.
Cherries. You are missing a team member. If you don't find that team member in the next hour, your team automatically loses.
Blocky!
Okay, come on over.
Squishy cherries, stop! We have to decide who will find Blocky and who will run the course.
We'll find Blocky.
Spongy, you go too. And Pencil, go with them. But our alliance. We have to stick together. Alliance, schmalliance. Go, go! Pencil, we'll wait for you.
Ooh, it moves. Whoa.
Okay, so this is the fish that ate Blocky. Now we have to get him out.
I thought you got eaten. No, I tried to eat, but I missed by a bit.
Come on and open that. Yeah. Yikes. I'm stuck. Sorry, Ben.
Well, here we go. Hey, watch this. The bowling ball and you are falling at the same rate. Need a break from all the stress? Then eat our gumball. It's only 70,000 payments of $70,000 each. Call now. The number on your screen. Now. Here's a fun prank you can pull. Drill a hole into the Bubble Recovery Center, pour tax in, and watch Bubble pop infinitely. Ha 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 ha!
This program was brought to you by Blocky's Funny Doings International.
OMZ! I killed her! Oh well. Easy. Okay, let's get back now. We have a bunch of lost time to make up. Oh,
OMW. Spongy, he just makes me want to hurl. Pencil, you're here. Now let's go, super fast. Oh, thank you, you're here. Get me over that wall. Over that? I don't know. Still stuck. I'm gonna be useful right about now. Finally! Look. Wow. And throw.
well, that's convenient.
Hey, Fiery. Ow! Hey! Throw us up. Yes, but then we're only going for our own spongy. Yeah!
Find a needle. There you go. Show it to the scanner.
Come on! Help us out! Alpha! Look!
Huh? Oh, great. The balls are here.
Hurry, they're more ahead of Riley! Water. It's too dangerous to handle.
Uh-oh.
I'm stuck.
Thanks, TV and BB.
Gotta go.
Oh no! I've been dulled!
Spongy. He's just so fat, you know?
Beep. Time's up. The squashy grapes win.
Yeah!
So yeah, choose someone to vote.